Wala kami social media.
Ayun.
Number one, we were not open to faceless comments.
Mhm.
That, kasi, ito sinasabi ko sa lahat yung mga batang to, masyado silang susceptible to bashers, to negative comments. And gustuin man natin o hindi, it affects them. And that's a sad part because none of these matter. Sorry, I'm not trying to sound irreverent or anything. Pero yung panahon namin, people are brave enough to come to our face and say they don't like us.
Yes.
And I appreciate that. Kasi, alam mo yung ginagawa mo at alam mo yung sinasabi mo sa akin at hindi ka natatakot. So that's really your opinion and I can respect that. Pero yung ngayon nang nangyayari sa social media na may mga nagko-comment para lang may masabi. And they bash people they don't know anything about or they have never worked with or have never met. And it affects them. Ako as a parent, I hate it. Naawa ko sa mga anak ko pag nakakatanggap sila ng gano'n. And I don't think that they're supposed to be subjected to it.